Hey, what's up? Tony here. And today, I'm bringing you something that's going to blow your mind. I've been testing free software alternatives for months now, and I've discovered 10 programs that are so powerful, they'll make you question why anyone pays for software anymore. These aren't just decent for free programs. These are legitimate powerhouses that often outperform their expensive counterparts. We're talking about professional-grade tools used by studios, businesses, and creators worldwide. Let's dive right in. 1. Davinci Resolve, Hollywood-level video editing. Starting strong with Davinci Resolve. And folks, this is absolutely insane. Blackmagic Design took software that was selling for $300,000 to Hollywood studios and made it completely free. Let me repeat that. Free. This isn't some stripped-down version either. You get the full professional editing suite, complete with advanced color correction used in blockbuster movies. The Fusion page offers visual effects capabilities that rival those of After Effects, and the Fairlight audio tools are of broadcast quality. The editing workflow is buttery smooth with the magnetic timeline, and the multicam editing handles dozens of camera angles without breaking a sweat. What really sets it apart is the color grading, those cinematic looks you see in movies. You can achieve them right here. I've edited everything from YouTube videos to commercial projects in Resolve, and it handles 4K footage like it's nothing. The render speeds are incredible, especially if you have a decent graphics card. Compare this to Final Cut Pro at $300 or Adobe Premiere subscription model, and you realize this is the deal of the century. Yes, there's a learning curve, but Blackmagic provides extensive training materials, and the results you can achieve are absolutely professional. 2. Bitwarden, your digital security guardian. Next up is Bitwarden, and let me tell you, this might be the most essential software on this entire list. If you're not using a password manager, you're basically asking for trouble. Here's what makes Bitwarden incredible. It's completely unlimited for free users. Unlimited passwords, unlimited devices, unlimited secure sharing. That's unheard of in the password manager world. LastPass charges for multi-device access. 1Password wants $36 per year, but Bitwarden gives you everything for nothing. The security is absolutely bulletproof. Zero-knowledge encryption means even Bitwarden can't see your passwords. They undergo regular security audits, and their code is open source, allowing security experts to verify everything. But what I love most is how seamless it is. The browser extensions work flawlessly, automatically filling in credentials instantly. The mobile apps are fantastic, and the secure sharing feature is perfect for families or teams. You can even store secure notes, credit card info, and identity details. This is literally life-changing software. No more forgotten passwords, no more security breaches ruining your day, just complete peace of mind, totally free. 3. Blender, 3D creation without limits. Blender is mind-blowing, and here's why. This free software is competing directly with programs that cost thousands of dollars per year. Autodesk, Maya costs $1,700 annually. Cinema 4D is over $3,000. Blender, $0. The 3D modeling capabilities are extraordinary. Whether you're creating characters, environments, or product visualizations, the tools are incredibly sophisticated. The sculpting system lets you shape models like digital clay with millions of polygons in real time. Animation is where Blender truly shines. The character rigging system is professional grade, and the physics simulations for cloth, fluid, and particles look absolutely stunning. The new real-time renderer, Eevee, shows you movie-quality results instantly. What's incredible is the community. Because it's free, there's this amazing ecosystem where professionals share techniques, models, and tutorials freely. You're learning from people working on actual films and games. The development pace is incredible too. New features are constantly being added, and it just keeps getting more powerful. This is software that can take you from a complete beginner to a professional 3D artist without spending a penny. 4. Audacity, audio production simplified. Audacity is the unsung hero of audio production, and it's been quietly powering content creation for over 20 years. This is the secret behind countless podcasts, YouTube videos, and even professional music productions. What makes Audacity special is its incredible balance of power and simplicity. Recording quality is pristine. We're talking 32-bit floating point audio, at sample rates of up to 384 kHz. That's beyond what most professional studios use, and it's completely free. The noise reduction tools are phenomenal. Record in a less than perfect environment? No problem. Audacity can remove background noise, hums, and clicks with surgical precision. The spectral editing features let you see and edit individual frequencies. For podcasters, the multi-track editing is essential. You can balance multiple voices, add intro music, and create professional-sounding episodes. The built-in effects cover everything from reverb to compression, and a massive library of additional plugins is available. Compare this to Pro Tools or Adobe Audition with their expensive subscriptions, and you realize Audacity delivers 90% of the functionality for 0% of the cost. It's the perfect entry point into audio production that never becomes limiting. 5. GIMP, Professional Image Editing. GIMP has come such a long way, and honestly, for most users, it completely replaces the need for Photoshop. We're talking about a full-featured image editor with professional capabilities that costs absolutely nothing. The layer system is incredibly powerful, with all the blend modes and masking options you'd expect. The selection tools are precise and intelligent, making complex cutouts and compositions straightforward. The clone and healing tools work beautifully for photo restoration and retouching. What I really appreciate is how customizable GIMP is. You can configure the interface exactly how you want it, set up custom brushes and patterns, and create action-like scripts for repetitive tasks. The single window mode gives it a modern and organized feel. The plugin ecosystem is massive. GMIC alone adds hundreds of professional filters and effects. You can do focus stacking, HDR processing, and advanced color grading that rivals dedicated photo software. Sure, if you're already a Photoshop expert, there's an adjustment period. But for new users or anyone tired of Adobe's subscription model, GIMP is incredibly capable. Plus, the skills you learn transfer to other image editors perfectly. 6. Visual Studio Code. Development made enjoyable. Visual Studio Code has absolutely revolutionized coding, and it's completely free. Microsoft created something that manages to be both incredibly powerful for professionals and approachable for beginners. The IntelliSense code completion is almost magical. It understands your code context and suggests exactly what you need, often before you know you need it. This dramatically speeds up development and reduces errors. The extension ecosystem is what makes VS Code truly special. Need to work with Python? There's a perfect extension. Building a React app? The tooling is incredible. Working with databases? Everything integrates seamlessly. It's like having a custom IDE for every technology. Debugging is fantastic with visual breakpoints, variable inspection, and integrated terminal support. The Git integration is smooth, and collaboration features make working with teams effortless. Whether you're writing your first line of code or building complex applications, VS Code adapts perfectly. The interface is clean and intuitive, but the depth is there when you need it. Plus, being from Microsoft, you know it's actively developed and supported. 7. LibreOffice, complete office freedom. LibreOffice is what Microsoft Office should be: powerful, reliable, and not holding your wallet hostage with subscriptions. This is a complete office suite that handles everything you need for work, school, or personal projects. Writer is genuinely excellent for document creation. Advanced formatting, professional templates, mail merge capabilities, and collaboration tools that work seamlessly. The compatibility with Microsoft Word files is nearly perfect. You can open, edit, and save .docx files without any formatting issues. Calc is a spreadsheet powerhouse. Complex formulas, pivot tables, data analysis, and chart creation all work beautifully. For 95% of users, it does everything Excel does without the monthly fee. The macro support is excellent for automation. Impress creates presentations that look professional and polished. While it might not have every fancy animation that PowerPoint offers, it covers all the essentials and exports perfectly to PowerPoint format when needed. The best part is complete file format compatibility. You can work with Microsoft Office users seamlessly, sharing documents back and forth without any issues. It's like having Office without paying Microsoft's ransom. 8. OBS Studio, content creation powerhouse. OBS Studio is the backbone of modern content creation, and the fact that it's completely free still amazes me. This is software that powers millions of streams, recordings, and live events worldwide. For screen recording, OBS is unmatched. Capture your entire screen, specific applications, or custom regions with high quality and minimal performance impact. No watermarks, no time limits, and no restrictions. Just professional recording capability. The streaming features are where OBS really excels. The scene system lets you create broadcast quality productions with multiple camera angles, graphics overlays, and smooth transitions. You can stream to multiple platforms simultaneously with perfect synchronization. Customization is incredible. Chat integration, donation alerts, webcam effects, green screen removal. You can create a streaming setup that looks like a television studio. The plugin ecosystem adds even more functionality. What would cost tens of thousands in professional broadcasting equipment, OBS delivers on any decent computer. It's stable, it's powerful, and it's trusted by everyone from bedroom streamers to major corporations. 9. 7. Zip. Compression excellence. 605 to 630. 7-Zip might seem basic, but it's genuinely essential software that everyone should have installed. This little program consistently creates smaller compressed files than any other tool available. The compression ratios are significantly better than Windows built-in tools, or even paid alternatives like WinRAR. We're talking 5 to 15% smaller files, which adds up quickly when dealing with large archives or limited storage space. Format support is comprehensive. ZIP, RAR, 7Z, TAR, gzip, and dozens of others. The interface integrates perfectly with Windows Explorer, so compressing or extracting files is just a right-click away. It's completely free with no nagging pop-up ads like WinRAR, no premium features locked away, and no bloatware. Just a clean, efficient tool that does exactly what you need it to do reliably and quickly. 10. VLC Media Player, Universal Media Solution. Finally, VLC Media Player, the Swiss Army knife of media playback. This is the most universally useful piece of software ever created, and it's completely free with no catches. VLC plays absolutely everything. Every video format, every audio codec, every weird file type you've never heard of, it just works. No more hunting for codec packs or getting frustrated with unsupported formats. But VLC is more than just a player. It can convert between formats, stream media over networks, recover corrupted video files, and even capture screen recordings. The subtitle support is excellent, with automatic downloading and perfect synchronization. Performance is outstanding. 4K videos play smoothly, large files load instantly, and it works identically across Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile devices. Everything syncs perfectly if you want it to. After 20+ years of development, VLC is rock solid and reliable. No ads, no spyware, no premium versions, just a tool that works perfectly every single time. It's the kind of software that just makes your life easier. There you have it. 10 absolutely incredible pieces of free software that can completely transform your digital workflow. I've got direct download links for all of these in the description, and if you're ready to take your editing to the next level, click the video in the top right corner to watch my step-by-step guide on how to download Adobe After Effects for free. Perfect for motion graphics, editing, and visual effects. Don't miss it. What's your experience with free software? Are there any amazing programs I missed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I always love discovering new tools from the community. If this saved you some cash or opened your eyes to what's possible with free software, smash that like button and consider subscribing for more tech discoveries and honest reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Keep creating.